Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a European format CV. We will go through the essential elements that make this document effective for job applications across Europe. Understanding these guidelines will help you present your skills and experience in a way that resonates with international recruiters. We will cover everything from personal details to professional achievements, ensuring your CV stands out. Moving on, let's explore the core sections of your European CV. Start with your personal information, ensuring it is accurate and complete. Then, meticulously list your educational background, followed by your professional work experience. Remember to highlight your key achievements and responsibilities in each role. Finally, a clear breakdown of your language abilities is absolutely vital for many European positions. Now, let's talk about presentation. Your CV's appearance is just as important as its content. Select a clean, professional font like Arial or Calibri, ensuring readability. Consistency in formatting across all sections creates a polished look. Strive to keep your CV to a maximum of 2 pages. Conciseness is highly valued. Always proofread meticulously to eliminate any errors before submission. To truly make your European CV shine, remember these final tips. Always customize your CV for each application, highlighting skills and experiences most relevant to the role. Where possible, quantify your achievements with specific numbers or percentages to demonstrate impact. Don't forget to showcase your valuable soft skills. Finally, consider including a professional headshot if it aligns with the cultural norms of the country you are applying to.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.